In this video, we're going to look at types of solutions. A conditional equation is true for some values of the variable, but false for others. The solution for a linear conditional equation is a single value. For a contradiction, the variables cancel out, leaving one number equal to a different number. And in a contradiction, there is no solution. An identity, after solving, the result will be an identity. For example, 4 is equal to 4 or x is equal to x, and the solution is all real numbers. In 1, it says solve each equation, if possible. Identify each equation as conditional, a contradiction, or an identity. In A, we have 1/4 times 3x minus 4 minus 1/5 is equal to 1/4 x plus 3/10. So the first thing I'm going to do is find our least common denominator and multiply both sides of the equation by that least common denominator. And we have denominators of 4, 5, and 10, and my least common denominator is going to be 20. So I'm going to multiply both sides of our equation by 20. Twenty times 1/4 is equal to 5, so I have 5 times 3x minus 4 minus 20 times 1/5 is 4, and this is equal to 20 times 1/4 x is 5x, and 20 times 3/10 is equal to 6. And now I'm going to distribute my 5 through the parentheses on the left side of the equation. So I have 5 times 3x is 15x. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. Minus 4 is equal to 5x plus 6. And now I'm going to combine my like terms on the left side of the equation. So I have 15x minus 24, and that's equal to 5x plus 6. And now I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides of the equation and add 24 to both sides. So I have 15x minus 5x is 10x, and I have 6 plus 24 is equal to 30. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 10, and I get x is equal to 3. And we have one solution, so our equation is conditional. In B, we have 1/6 times 2a minus 1 is equal to 1/3 a minus 1/6. So I'm going to multiply our equation by the least common denominator, which is 6. So I have 6 times 1/6 times 2a minus 1 is equal to 6 times 1/3 a minus 1/6. 6 times 1/6 is 1, so I'm left with 2a minus 1 on the left side. And now 6 times 1/3 a is equal to 2a, and 6 times negative 1/6 is equal to negative 1. So I have 2a minus 1 is equal to 2a minus 1, and this is an identity. After solving the equation, both the left and the right hand side equaled each other. So that means our solution is negative infinity to infinity. In C, we have negative 9x plus 4x minus 9 is equal to 3x plus 16 minus 8x. So the first thing I'm going to do is combine my like terms on each side of the equation. And on the left side, I have negative 9x plus 4x is negative 5x minus 9 is equal to, we have 3x minus 8x is minus 5x, and we have plus 16. And now if we were to add 5x to both sides, we would have negative 9 is equal to 16. And this is a contradiction. And when you have a contradiction, that means there's no solution or an empty solution set. And that's our video on types of solutions.